How to pin videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can pin videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you basically want to pin videos on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch a TikTok application here and just come to your profile page, and let's say that there is a specific video that you want to pin to the top of your profile. It is very simple, because all you have to do is just select a specific video here, then just tap the three dots next to it, select the option called pin as you can find it, and the video will be pinned even though it is at the bottom to the very top of the screen as you can find it over here. If you want to unpin it, repeat the same process. Tap on the pin post here, tap the three dots, select the option called unpin, and the video will get successfully unpinned as well. And this way you can go ahead and then actually pin videos to your TikTok profile. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in our next video.